Hello friends, today we have an exciting selection of Android smartphones for you to explore. As you can clearly see, one of the devices is an Oppo smartphone, showcasing its sleek design and robust features. Right here you can also see a phone from Samsung, a company renowned for its cutting-edge technology and high-quality devices. Additionally, the third smartphone in our lineup is a Vivo, another prominent name in the Android ecosystem. To recap, we have smartphones from three leading companies today: Vivo, Samsung, and Oppo. In today's informative video, we will teach you an essential skill: how to unlock any Android smartphone without experiencing any loss of data. Yes, friends, no matter which brand your phone comes from, whether it's Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, or even Realme, we've got you covered. Speaking of which, we also have a Realme phone in our collection. So take a look here. The Realme is prominently displayed alongside the Samsung and Oppo phones. As you can observe, all of these devices are secured with various types of locks. Some have password locks, while others utilize pattern locks for added security. So whether you've set up a pin lock, a password, a pattern, or any other type of security lock on your phone and unfortunately forgotten it, we encourage you to watch this video all the way to the end. This is because we will provide you with a free step-by-step guide on how to unlock any Android phone without risking any data loss. To be more precise, we will demonstrate the exact process to unlock any Android smartphone seamlessly and safely without losing your valuable data. Look over here. This is the Vivo phone we mentioned earlier. Okay. And here is the Samsung phone representing the Samsung company. And right next to it is the Oppo company's phone, correct? By following our instructions, you will learn how to unlock any Android smartphone without encountering data loss. So, without further ado, let's quickly dive into the video. First, we will set all these phones aside and provide you with a live example to instantly explain how you can unlock any phone efficiently. To begin the process, the first step is to locate the emergency call or the emergency SOS feature on your smartphone. These two options are present in every phone, whether you use a phone from any company. Now look here, the emergency call is visible. Okay, you need to select it here. Once you select it, you will see an option for emergency call, and here is a dollar pad. On the dollar pad, you need to type a hidden code. This code is something like this. Please look at it and note it down. Write it down so you can remember it. Using this code, you will be able to unlock your phone. Now you need to call this three times. Look, one, two. We have made the call three times in this way. It's possible that during the call, your number gets automatically deleted from there. So in such a situation, you may have to enter the number again. Okay. Now we will delete all the numbers from here, and then we will dial, it's a star Z. Here, watch carefully. The number we are dialing is the one you also need to dial. Okay. After dialing it, you will see this option here. You need to select it in this way. See, we have selected it, and automatically a page has appeared in front of us. Yes, friends, you can see that an automatic page has appeared. This is called engineer mode or the after sale page, which appears in many phones. For example, we have an Oppo phone here. Now look at this. The first number you will see here is emergency SOS. Okay. Now we will go inside this and enter the code. To enter the code, what is here is the after sale page, and what you are seeing here is emergency. So in this way, you will definitely see different things in different phones, but here everything is the same in every phone. As you will see here, almost everything will look alike. Okay. So now what you need to do is on your phone, select the manual test in this way. Pay attention, you need to select manual test. After selecting manual test, we will proceed. And on the second page, you will see sensor self-test collaboration. In this option, you need to navigate in this way. After going, however many sensors are displayed to you, on our phone, three sensors are showing. It's not necessarily that your phone will have only three, it could have four, five, or even six. At least two are always present. So, start all available sensors. If at least one sensor passes, your task is done. In our case, out of three sensors, two have failed while one has passed. So, if all your sensors are failing, you can restart them in this way and the results will change. Now you don't have to do anything else, friends. Now you need to go back from this option. And finally, you will see an option called rating reset. You will press the button in this particular way and it will pass successfully here, indicating that your phone has been completely and 100% unlocked. To verify this, you need to press the middle menu in the specified manner and observe live in front of you the phone, which is now unlocked without any data loss occurring. Any Android phone can be unlocked using this method. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, and before subscribing, let us know whether your phone was unlocked or not. If not, first subscribe and comment so that we know you are our user. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.